Good afternoon to all. My name is Divya and she is Sheetal, and our topic is downcasting.
So in upcasting, we get all the methods of parent class and overridden methods of child class only. The child object will get all the properties of the parent object, and it is basically typecasting of parent object into a child object. Downcasting cannot be done implicitly, it can be done explicitly only. So when the compiler try to execute the downcasting, it will check whether the two classes are connected or not. I mean whether one class is parent class and another class is child class or not. So if they both are not connected, it will give an exception, that is class cast exception. Class cast exception is an unchecked exception. So using downcasting, we get all the properties of parent class and child class methods, everything. So it in downcasting, we can also get all the properties of child class with the help of a parent object also. And the syntax of downcasting is child C is equal to, in brackets, child T. Here child is the class name of the child class, C is the object of child class, and in brackets we write child class name, and here it is parent object. Here we write child in brackets because child class name is used as a data type. So here parent object will get all the properties of child object. So that's about the concept of downcasting. So basically we get all the properties of parent class and child class also. Thank you.